Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to upgrade the memory in a range of iMacs. The first thing we need to do is find out what model of iMac we have. We can easily do this by looking at everymac.com or Mac Tracker. Look for your exact Mac and find out how much memory it supports and what type. Today I'll be upgrading this mid-2007 iMac from 512MB to 1.5GB. Most of these Core 2 Duo iMacs support up to 6GB of 200-pin DDR2 laptop memory. The first thing we want to do is power down the iMac. Now tilt the iMac up so we can see underneath the Apple logo. Using a small Phillips head or flathead screwdriver, unscrew this screw. Now pull off the panel. Pull down on the black plastic pull tab from the slot that is not already occupied. To install the memory DIMM, line it up with its socket with the label facing towards you. Now slide it up into its connector. Keep pushing until you hear it click into place. Now tuck the plastic pull tab back up into where it was. Reinstall the panel and screw in the screw. We can now turn on the iMac and continue using it. Please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully for news on what I purchase and information about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it has helped you out. Don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed to keep up to date with all of my latest videos.